recently my channel hit 1,000 subscribers, and not only that, it's now exceeded that and getting very close to 1,500 subscribers, which is incredible. And I can't say thank you enough to all of you for subscribing to this channel and spending time watching the things that I love to create and share with you. To say thank you to you, I would love to have you join me on Sunday the 3rd of December for a completely live Q&A session where I answer some of the questions that you guys send to me through all my videos and in private messages. Now, if you have questions that you haven't asked yet, now's the perfect opportunity to go to the YouTube channel and click on the Community tab. Under there, you'll see the announcement for this live video, and please comment down below there your questions that you would like me to answer. So come and hang out with me on Sunday the 3rd of December at all the times listed down below this video and right over here. Hope to see you there.